Benefits of Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is an ancient yogic practice of paying respects to the sun. The benefits of Surya Namaskar are: it helps with weight loss, strengthen muscles and joints, improve complexion.
శుభోదయం. సో ఈరోజు భారతదేశం అంతటా అంతర్జాతీయ యోగా దినోత్సవం జరుపుకుంటూ ఉంటున్నాం అన్నమాట. సో
yoga benefits for physical and mental health. By celebrating Yoga Day, we raise awareness.
it involves many poses like breathing exercise, sometimes meditation. So it helps us to give peace and
We celebrate this day to spread awareness about yoga and its benefits. The day was first proposed by our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi Garu. Supta Vajrasana. Supta Vajrasana, it might also help with back pain because it involves stretching of the back and it helps to strengthen the back, neck and chest muscles. Vajrasana. యోగా అంటే పూర్ణమైన జీవన విధానం. యోగాని సాధన చేస్తే శారీరకంగా, మానసికంగా ఆరోగ్యంగా
also need actually, because a lot of stress on our heads. As a parent, you also have, even the homemakers also, like when you are at home, you also have a lot of stress, like managing. One year or 2 years, it is like since more than 500 years back, it is being practiced in India, and this is a legacy which you as a future need to continue. It's a legacy of tradition and custom of India. Yoga has lots of benefits. Like, tell me really, did you enjoy the peace when you were in Padmasana?